Hello friends, welcome back and learn adjectives in English Urdu with sentences starting from the alphabet A to L. So let's start our video with this first word, that is an imperfect, ادھوراپن یا نامکمل حالت. I believe you can come out of imperfect condition. Impish, شرارتی یا شرير. The kid was impish enough to control. Impolite, बेअदब या नाशाइस्ता. Her cousin was rude and impolite. Important, अहम. It was an important meeting. Impossible, नामुमकिन. No task is impossible. Impractical, नाकाबिल अमल या गैर अफादी. This idea is not impractical. Impressive, मुतासिर कुन या पुरअसर. She gave us impressive gift. Inborn, पैदाइशी. The baby had an inborn mark on her cheek. Incomparable, لاجواب या बेमिसल. All his friends were happy to see his incomparable results. Indolent, आराम तलब या कामचोर. Is he really an indolent employee? Infantile, शीर ख्वार या बच्चों का. The scientist discovered an infantile medicine. Inferior, कमतर या अदना. She never buys the things of inferior quality. Infinite, लामहदूद या बेहद. I thank you for your infinite support. Insistent, इस्रार करने वाला. Do not be insistent for going out. Instructive, तालीम देने वाला या सबक आमोज. It was an instructive training session. Intentional, जानबूझकर या इरादी. She made an intentional mistake. Interesting, दिलचस्प या मरगूब. Wasn't it an interesting case? Internal, अंदरूनी या दाखिली. This message is for internal employees only. Intrepid, निडर या दिलेर. My colleagues lost an intrepid leader. Irresponsible, गैर जिम्मेदार. She was very irresponsible to finish her choir. Irritating, परेशान कुन या गुस्सा दिलाना. He is in irritating condition. Jealous, हासिद. That man seemed to be jealous. Joint, मुश्तरका. This success is the result of our joint efforts. Jolly, बहुत खुश या जिंदा दिल या रंगीला. I never saw him so much jolly. Jovial, खुशगवार या खुश मिजाज. All guests appear to be jovial in the party. Jubilant, पुरमुसरत या खुशी से भरा. The CEO announced new scheme on this jubilant time. Judicious, इंसाफ पसंद या अक्लमंदाना. Her father appreciated her judicious decision. Juvenile, नो उम्र या कम सिन. Her grandmother suffered from malaria at her juvenile age. Keen, शौकीन. My friend was keen on collecting old stuff. kind-hearted, नरम दिल या रहम दिल. She never revealed that her father is kind-hearted man. Knowledgeable, इल्म वाला या पढ़ा लिखा. Please meet my knowledgeable fellow. Known, जाना जाता है या मारूफ. This field is famous for grapes. Naughty, ग्रहदार. This rope is quite naughty. Lasting, देर पा या दायमी. I think we should work for lasting solution. Lavish, शाहाना या शाह खर्च. She used to live a lavish life. Lawful, कानूनी या जायज़. Is it lawful to participate in party without permission? Lazy, सुस्त या आराम पसंद. Some kids are lazy among them. Leading, मारूफ या मशहूर. This is a leading company in milk production. Legitimate, कानूनी या जायज़. It is her legitimate right to ask you a question. Light-hearted, खुश मिजाज. I love to meet light-hearted people. Likeable, पसंदीदा या मरगूब. What dishes are likeable by you? Likely, इम्कान. He is likely to come. Limited, महदूद. We have got limited access to the library. Linear, लकीरी या लकीर से मुताल्लिक. I solved the questions in linear order. Lively, जिंदा दिल या मन चला. I was amazed to see the lively scene. Livid, आग बगोला या सीख पा. That day the guard was livid. Long term, तवील मुद्दती. It was a long-term contract. Thanks for watching.